Can we recover permanently deleted Gmail account? Hey everybody, today in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. For that you may head over the recovery page. So head over to any of your browser and type in Google account recovery, and there you will be finding option of thismyaccount.google.com. Go ahead and tap on it, and then once you tap on it you will be taken to the space. So what you can do is, in this login page, you may enter up the email address that you were trying to recover. After that is done, what you can do is follow the on-screen instructions and Google will guide you through the recovery process, which may involve answering questions and verifying your identity or resetting your password. But the thing is, if you're trying to recover your permanently deleted Gmail account, unfortunately, it's a very less chance that you will be able to recover it. It is generally not possible, especially if it's been a very while. So the only thing you can recover is you can only recover the account that you have deleted before some days, like up to 15 to 30 days time interval. You should be able to recover your permanently deleted Gmail account if it is in the process of deletion. So that is only the method for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.